Alright, here's how to get no name on Instagram highlights. So first of all, just open any browser on your smartphone or iPhone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose Chrome or Safari, whatever you want. Now go on the search bar and type here invisible character generator. Now search it and go on the first website, edit pad. Just click on it and here click on copy to clipboard. Alright, now go back again on Instagram. Alright, here we are. Now click on any one of these highlights and now click on these three dots on bottom right corner and click on edit highlight. Here on the title, paste the code you have copied and click on done. And just wait a minute. As you can see, the highlight name is blank. As you can see here. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.